Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer Godaddy domain to Hostinger. So, first of all, open Safari. Go to Godaddy and after login, click here. Here you can see your domain. So, unlock domain. Turn off domain lock in additional settings. So scroll down to transfer domain and click get authorization code. Godaddy will email it to you. Now go to Wordpress and after login, click on domain. Now transfer domain and click get started. Here you can write your domain name and your authorization code. That's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video.